Good morning, children. Today we shall learn more about the modifications in the root system. We already know that the whole plant can be divided into two parts. The underground part, or the part that remains under the soil, is called the root system, and the part that grows above the ground is called the shoot system. And the shoot consists of the stem, leaves, buds, flowers, fruits, etc. So now let us see what is the importance of roots. We know that the roots absorb the water and the important minerals from the soil, and it also anchors the plant firmly in the ground. Apart from this, the important function that the roots perform is that the roots bind the soil particles together. Hence, we can say the roots prevent the soil erosion, that is, the washing away of the soil particles due to wind, rain, etc. You know, apart from these tasks, in some plants, the roots perform some special tasks. Let us see what are these one by one. In few plants, the extra food is stored in the taproot for the future, like the carrot, beetroot, radish, turnip, etc. The food is stored in the form of carbohydrate like sugar, starch, etc. We also eat these roots as vegetable because they are a good source of carbohydrate. In some plants, the roots help in reproduction, like the roots of dahlia, asparagus can develop into new plants. So we see in certain plants, the roots can develop into new plants. The dahlia plant stores the excess food in the secondary roots and these get swollen. These are called tuberous roots. Sometimes the plant shoot dies, but the tubers remain in the ground. Then the new shoot may grow from this tuber, helping in the multiplication of plant. This is a mangrove tree. The mangrove trees grow in waterlogged soil of the marshy lands that has almost no air. So, how do they take in oxygen? In these trees, some branches of the roots grow vertically upward and come out of the ground to get oxygen from the air. These are called the respiratory roots and are used for the exchange of gases. In some plants, few roots come out of the parts of the stem to perform special function. These are called aerial roots. Aerial roots grow above the ground. Look here, these are the roots coming down from the branches of the banyan tree. As these roots reach ground, they also give support to the huge banyan tree. These are called prop roots. The prop roots can also be seen in the bamboo, sugarcane, etc. Few plants, like this Dodder plant, grow under other plants. You know, the Dodder plant absorbs the nutrients from the host plant using the special type of roots which grow from their stem. These are called the parasitic roots. Some plants, like this black pepper plant, have climbing roots. These roots help the plants to climb up the support, which can be a tree, wall, etc. Even the money plant and the beetle plants have climbing roots. So remember, children, in certain plants, the roots get modified to perform special functions, like storage of food, for example in carrots, for the multiplication of plants, example dahlia, asparagus, respiratory roots, example mangrove trees, prop roots to give extra support, for example the banyan tree, climbing roots to climb up the support, for example in money plant. Then the parasitic roots to take water and nutrients from the host, example Dodder plant. So that was all about the root modifications. Bye bye children.
Want to know more about these topics? Please follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.